Picture this: reusing common household items like ice cream tubs, yogurt pots, and cream pots as plant labels. Simply cut the pots into strips around 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide and use a permanent marker to write on the blank side. These labels can last for many seasons, and it's easy to gather the pots from friends and family. Let's venture into the world of potatoes. Instead of burying them, place potatoes on the surface of a raised bed and cover them thickly with mulch. Use straw, old hay, or autumn leaves. Once the potato plants peek through the mulch, cover them again. When the plants are ready to harvest, pull away the mulch and pick out the potatoes. Try this method using wood chips as mulch. Brambles or thorny canes provide a natural, instant fence to protect seedlings from slugs. Cut the canes into 30-centimeter sections and lay them around your seedlings. While it won't deter every slug, it'll certainly make a significant difference. Next, consider the weather. Prioritize sowing seeds and transplanting seedlings during or before heavy rain. This saves watering time and conserves water storage, as the rain does the job for you. Repurposing pallets into seed trays is another great hack. If you have spare nails or screws, or even repurpose those from the pallets, this project can be entirely free. Just ensure the pallets are heat-treated and not chemically treated. Struggling with straight seed trenches? Cut a piece of bamboo to the width of your raised bed, press it down to your desired depth, and voila, a perfectly straight seed trench. This technique can also be done using an old broom handle or a long piece of wood. Creating a perfectly straight line for a seed trench or transplanting seedlings can also be achieved with 2 sticks and a piece of string. Tie the string to one stick, roll it out to the other side, cut it with a bit of overhang, and tie it to the second stick. Twirl it to your desired length. In summary, these free vegetable gardening hacks, along with a few bonus ones, are all about reusing, repurposing, and working with nature. These methods not only save you money, but also contribute to a sustainable, abundant garden. Remember, with a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can grow your own food at zero.